87.9 Kumasi.
Yes, Akoma FM 87.9. Celebrate your entry now for shopping to my daily the promo. You didn't be beginning now, Korean Mensa. Hi, Akoma FM 87.9. Celebrate your young cut straight shopping. Akoma FM shopping competition.
By Akoma FM with the sponsorship of some able companies who are partnering Akoma FM to bring you this particular one. My name is Raphael Sarkodie, and I will be your quiz master for this particular competition. This is an English language competition that focuses on critical thinking, problem solving, communication, teamwork, as well as other 21st century skill. And we are ready for the second semi-final. I can tell you that Alpha's Lovely and Golden State have already booked their ticket to the grand finale, and we get to know which two schools in this particular contest will also join them to make or to complete the set. We are ready to roll, ladies and gentlemen. If you believe your school is winning this one, make some noise for them. Make some noise. And so we are ready to roll. We want to start with the introduction of the contest. Joining us, St. Louis Jubilee School. Can we have introduction of contestants?
My name is Abe Kwampa.
Bwatsi Akosia is my name.
You, Oxford International School.
My name is Osebos Benedict. My name is Wesley Kwash.
Ladies and gentlemen, SOS Herman. Can we have introduction?
My name is Ryan Jemfi Bredo.
My name is Lavaja My Prempe.
Ladies and gentlemen, Benchtown School, please, let's have you.
My name is Oji Dinahi.
My name is Lawrence Wada Kupuko.
And that computer said, let's give it up to them. Let's give it up to them. Let's give it up to them. So, this is an English language competition for junior high schools drawn from the Ashanti region, and they are doing battle to bring honors to their schools. Indeed, we are ready to roll. 4 rounds of contest. Interesting dynamics to this particular competition. I tell you what, spend time with us, and you won't regret that you joined us for this particular one. Every Saturday, 10:30 a.m. on your favorite TV station, Unia TV, and live on Akoma FM 87.9. Once again, ready to roll for this particular one. We start with a round 1A, which we call the spellbound. You are competing to answer or spell some given words for me, and each word spelled correctly gives you 3 points. But if you get it wrong, I will pass it on for a bonus of 1. You have 20 seconds to answer if it is your major question, and a bonus if it is 10 seconds to answer a bonus, and for you to get a point over there. Meanwhile, I'm giving you 5 packs of envelopes. What you do for me is to select one, and then I will give you the questions in that pack to spell for me. Yes, kindly select one of the packs, and let's roll with it.
Pack 3.
Pack 3, and so shall it be. Spell the word eructation. 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 A belch. In a sentence form, the quiet dinner was interrupted by a loud eructation. Spell the word eructation. Eructation.
Eruptation. ERRUPTATION.
No, try again.
Eruptation. ERRACTION. P-A-T-R-O-N.
Bonus to New Oxford.
Eructation. I-R-U-C-T-A.
Yes, SOS Herman, are you interested?
E-R-A-C-T-A-T-I-O-N. Eructation.
Benston, are you interested? Will you try this one, Benston?
Try. Eructation. E-R-A-C-T-A-T-I-O-N.
I was looking for E-R-U-C-T-A-T-I-O-N. Eructation. Yes, the second word to you, ladies and gentlemen, St. Louis Jubilee, can you spell the word umbrage? Umbrage. Offense or annoyance. Shadowy suspicion. In the sentence form, he took umbrage at casual insult. Spell the word umbrage.
Umbrage. U-M-B-R-A-G-E.
Correct for 3 points. Correct for 3 points. The third word to you, St. Louis Jubilee. Spell the word aestivate. Aestivate. To spend the hot or dry period in a state of torpor. In a sentence from the snails aestivate in the summer. Spell the word aestivate.
Can you please repeat the word again?
Aestivate. Aestivate. Aestivate.
Aestivate. I-S-T-I-V-A-T-E. Aestivate.
No, try again.
Aestivate. Am I pronouncing?
Aestivate. Aestivate.
Aestivate. E-I-S-T-I-V-A-T-E.
No. New Oxford.
Aestivate. A-I-S-T-I-V-A-T-E.
No. SOS.
Aestivate. I-C-E-T-I-V-A-T-E.
No. Benston. Are you trying, Benston?
Aestivate. I-S-T-I-V-A-T-E.
I was looking for A-E-S-T-I-V-A-T-E. A-E-S-T-I-V-A-T-E is what I was looking for. And the next one to you, St. Louis Jubilee. Your word is pettifog. 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 And the meaning is to quibble over trivial matters, especially in a legal context. The lawyers continue to pettifog about minor details. Spell the word pettifog.
Pettifog. P-E-R-T-I-F-O-G.
No, try again.
Pettifog. P-E-T-T-I-F-O-R-G. Pettifog.
No, New Oxford. Pettifog.
Pettifog. P-E-R-T-I-F-O.
SOS.
Pettifog. P-E-T-T-Y-F-O-U-G. Pettifog.
Benston. Pettifog.
Pettifog. P-E-T-T-Y-F-O-R-K.
I was looking for P-E-T-T-I-F-O-G. F-O-G. Pettifog. With that, we move on to New Oxford International. Please select one part and let me give you the 4 words to spell. New Oxford.
Part 2.
Part 2. All right, so great for you. New Oxford, help me by spelling the word virago or virago. Virago or virago. A domineering, violent, or single-minded woman. In a sentence form. The general was a virago who commanded absolute respect. Or the general was a virago who commanded absolute respect. Spell the word virago or virago.
Virago. V-I-R-A-G-O.
Correct for 3 points. Correct. Your next word to spell is apotheosis. Apotheosis. The highest point in the development of something. In a sentence form. And In a sentence form, the invention marked the apotheosis of Roman engineering. Spell the word apotheosis.
Apotheosis. Apotheosis.
Correct for 3 points. Correct. Your next word to spell for me in New Oxford is nugatory. Nugatory. Of no value or importance. The court dismissed the charge as nugatory. Spell the word nugatory or nugatory.
Nugatory. Nugatry.
No. Try again.
Nugatory. Nugatory.
Correct for 3 points. Then, the last one to you, New Oxford International. Spell the word Pyrrhic. Pyrrhic. A victory achieved at such great cost that is tantamount to defeat. Pyrrhic. In a sentence form, winning the lawsuit was a Pyrrhic victory for the company. Spell the word Pyrrhic.
Pyrrhic. Piric.
No. Try for the last time.
Pyrrhic. Piricue.
Disaster. Yes, SOS.
Pyrrhic. Perich.
And not that disaster. Yes, pencil. Pyrrhic. Yes, senorita. Pyrrhic.
Pyrrhic. Pirache.
I was expecting Pyrrhic. Pyrrhic. This is what I was expecting from you. Yes, with that, we move on to SOS. SOS. Are you ready for me? Yes. Which of the parts are you choosing for your luck? Part one. I wish you well. 20 seconds, spell the following words for me. Questions or words are transferable. Spell the word bombinate. Bombinate. To buzz or to hum. The bees began to bombinate around the hive. Spell the word bombinate.
Bombinate. Bombinate. Bombinate.
Please come again.
Bombinate. Bombinate.
That is correct for 3 points. Correct for 3 points. Your next word to spell for me is laconic. Laconic. Using very few words. His laconic reply never spoke volumes. Spell the word laconic.
Laconic. LARCHORNIC.
No, try again. Laconic.
Laconic. LACHORNIC.
Yes, Benster, bonus for you. Laconic.
Laconic. LACONIC.
And that is correct for 1 point. Correct for 1 point. The next word to spell, your word to spell for me is truculent. 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 And it means eager or quick to argue or fight, aggressively defiant. The truculent critic dismissed all other opinions. Spell the word truculent.
TRUCULENT. Truculent.
Right for 3 points. Correct for 3 points. And the last one to you, SOS. Spell the word pleonasm. Pleonasm. The use of more words than are necessary to convey meaning. In a sentence form, saying free gift is a common pleonasm. Spell the word pleonasm.
Pleonasm. PLEONISM.
No. Spell it again. Try again.
Pleonasm. Pleonasm.
You are correct for 3 points. Correct. And then with that, we move to Benster. We move on to Benster. Benster, please select how many of the parts are left. Kindly pick one and let's move on with the words. Yes, Benster.
Part 5.
Part 5. So shall it be. Spell the word smaragdine. Smaragdine. Of or like an emerald. Bright green. In a sentence form, the smaragdine waters sparkled. Spell the word smaragdine.
Smaragdine. Smaragdine.
No, try again. Smaragdine.
Smaragdine. Smaragdine.
Yes, so you need to be bonus.
Smaragdine. Smaragdin. Smaragdine.
No, New Oxford.
Smaragdine. Smaragdine.
SOS.
Smaragdine. Smaragdene.
I was expecting SMARAJDINE. Smaragdine. Smaragdine. The next one to you. Benstow. Spell the word xeric. Xeric. Of an environment or habitat. Very dry, having little moisture. Xeric. Spell the word xeric. Spell the word xeric.
Zurich. Zyrhic.
No. The word xeric. Yes. In a sentence form, cacti are well suited to the xeric environment. Xeric.
Zyrhic.
Can I hear?
Zyrhic.
No. Yes, Louis Jubilee.
Zurich. Xyric.
No. New Oxford.
Xeric. Xeric.
Correct for 1 point. Correct for 1 point. Benster, spell the word salubrious. 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 Health giving or healthy. The mountain air had a salubrious effect. Spell the word salubrious.
Salubrious. Salubrious.
Please go over again.
Salubrious.
Correct for 3 points. Correct for 3 points. Please. The last one to you, Benstow. Benstow, please spell the word sciolist. 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 And it means a person who pretends to be knowledgeable and well informed. The sciolist held on topics he barely understood. Spell the word sciolist.
Sciolist. Saolist.
No, try again. Sciolist.
Sciolist. Saolyst.
Pass. Celery Jubilee. Are you interested?
Sciolist. Cylist.
New Oxford, are you interested?
Sciolist. Sylist.
SOS. Will you try this one? SOS say we are not interested. I was expecting STIOLIST. Sciolist. And with that, we draw curtains down on round 1A on the spellbound competition. Let's give them a round of applause today. Well, so straight away we'll move on to the next round, which is round 1B, where I give you a word and you form as many words as you can from the word. This is what we call the word formation. Now, you are competing to earn a maximum of 15 points. Now, this is how the points are allocated. If you manage to do 15 words or above, you earn for yourself 15 points. 12 to 14 words will give you 12 points. 9 to 11 words will give you 9 points. 6 to 8 words will give you 6 points. And 5 words or below gives you 3 points. I wish you the best of luck. Kindly focus on the screen and the word will be projected for you. You have 20 minutes to form as many words as you can from the word squeezed. From the word squeezed. Yes, hands down, and Ben Star, kindly walk to the board on your left and then show us the words you put it together. St. Jubilee, kindly do so and show us the words you managed to form from the word. And this is a Sharpen quiz competition. I am your quiz master, Raphael Sarkodie, and proudly bringing you this one on behalf of Akoma. Here are the scores at the end of round 1B. Ladies and gentlemen, New Oxford managed to put 10 words correctly together, earning for themselves 9 points. Show some love to them. Benstel also put together 11 correct words, earning for themselves 9 points. Ladies and gentlemen, St. Louis Jubilee also put together 15 words correctly, earning for themselves 15 points. And, ladies and gentlemen, SOS put together 16 words correctly, earning for themselves 15 points. Jubilee School made for themselves 18 points. New Oxford International made for themselves 19 points. SOS made for themselves 24 points. And Benstel School managed 13 points. We take a commercial break. We will be right back. Yes, Sharpen quiz competition.
Education is the key to a brighter future, and at Best Brain Publication Limited, we are committed to giving every child the strong foundation they need to excel. Our books are professionally written in line with the new GES standard-based curriculum and fully approved by NACA, giving you the assurance of quality and excellence. From preschool through primary to JHS and SHS, we've got you covered with top-rated textbooks in mathematics, science, English, our world and our people, computing, creative art, history, RME, French, Chi, Fanti, Dagbani, and more. Our JHS and SHS combined textbooks make learning simpler, smarter, and more effective. We have mathematics, science, English, social studies, career technology, RME, creative art, Asante G, and others. That's why parents, teachers, and schools nationwide trust Best Brain. Kumasi Pankrono behind Aposa Hotel on the Best Prince in Abed Road. Our books are also available in leading bookshop. For bulk purchases, 0507 200 200, 0504 200 300, 021 520 946. Visit us at www.bestbrainp.com. At Best Brain Publication Limited, we nurture great minds with great books. Best Brain Publication Limited. Tomorrow's education today.
With that, straight away, we zoom into action in the round 2A, which we call the Scrambled Adventure. Scrambled Adventure. You are answering by ringing the bell in front of you to signal that you have the answer. So Louis Jubilee, can you press your bell? New Oxford International, can we hear you? SOS Herman, can we hear you? And Benster, can we hear you? It means we are ready to roll. If you know the answer, you press the bell. Now, when the scrambled word stays on the screen for a while and nobody gives me the answer, what I do is that I proceed to give out some clues to help you unscramble the words for me to earn for yourself 3 points. I wish you all the best. If you are excited, please give it to them. Give it to them. Here we go. Kindly focus on the screen and try to unscramble the word over there to earn for yourself 3 points. Here we go. Critical thinking. Yes, Louis Jubilee, kindly go ahead. Volleyball. Volleyball is correct for 3 points. Correct for 3 points. We move on to the next scrambled word. Now, focus on the screen and help me to unscramble the word you see on the screen. Yes. Critical thinking is very critical over here. Yes. Who? Which school will earn 3 points by unscrambling the words on the screen? Yes. Yes, New Oxford.
Chameleons.
Chameleons is correct for 3 points. Correct for 3 points. And the next one, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Focus on the screen, pay attention, and see if you can unscramble it for 3 points. Critical thinking is very, very critical over here. Yes, focus on the screen. Here we go. The word over here, scrambled, can you unscramble it? Can you identify the word by unscrambling it and getting for yourself 3 points? All right, so I proceed to give out clues. This is a profession focused on preserving historical documents. To help you unscramble it, yes, St. Louis Jubilee.
Archivist.
Archivist, all right, I will give you 3 points. Archivist, I will give you 3 points. Yes, we proceed with the next scrambled word. Kindly focus on the screen and help me to unscramble the words you'll see in a while on your screen. Yes. Who wants the 3 points? Yes, New Oxford. When you press the bell, you must talk. New Oxford. Yes, SOS.
Continuation.
It is not continuation. Yes. Benstone and St. Louis Jubilee, are you interested? I proceed to read out clues. For those who rang the bell, you are out of this particular riddle. Kindly focus here. This is a voting member of a district or electorate, represented by an electoral official, or represented by an elected official. St. Louis Jubilee.
Constituent.
Constituent is correct for 3 points. Correct for 3 points. Yes, we proceed with the next. Please focus on the screen and help me unscramble the word you see. Focus on the screen and help me unscramble the word you see. Yes, New Oxford.
Porcupines.
Porcupines is correct for 3 points. And the last one, and we end this round. Yes, the last one on your screen. Kindly focus. The last one. Can you unscramble this word and earn for yourself 3 points? Yes, SOS.
Choreographer.
It is not choreographer. Yes. Who is interested? If not, I proceed to give out clues. This person creates and studies maps. Yes, Benston.
Cartographer.
Correct for 3 points. Cartographer. Correct for 3 points. And with that, let's show some love to them. Let's show some love to them. With that, we end. We bring round 2A to a close as we move on to round 2B. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, show some appreciation to the contestants. So, straight away we zoom into this particular exciting round, which is the round we call Spot the Error. I'm going to give you a passage. In that passage, you have some punctuation errors, you have concord errors, and you also have spelling errors. Help by spotting the error and proceeding to correct the error. You are attempting to earn for yourself some very, very decent marks, and therefore try your best and make the most out of this. You have only 180 seconds to correct the error, which is 3 minutes. I wish you all the very best. Now, stop work, pens down. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have your sheets, and let's see what you were able to do. But before then, what was this passage? The live broadcast of the Sharp Pen finals last week was a huge success. The energy in the studio was, instead of were, electric. The host, together with the co-presenter, kept instead of keep the audience engaged. Viewers at home sent instead of sent their support via text messages. One of the contestants, instead of contestants, was instead of very brilliant. Her answer to the questions were instead of was clear and confident. Yes, the judges were very positive. Remarks instead of remark were very positive. After a tough round, the winner was declared instead of were. The director and the producer of the show congratulates instead of congratulates. The director and the producer of the show congratulate the entire team. It's been a fantastic event with it with apostrophe S instead of ITS. This is what we expected from you. In all, you were supposed to correct 12 spot 12 errors and to proceed to correct them. I will be telling you how you fared in this round in a while. But let me remind you that this is a Sharp Pen Quiz competition brought to you by Akoma FM in partnership with Sharp, with Best Brain Publications, in partnership with Born Admitted, other sponsors as well, partners to bring you this particular one. First of all, English language with emphasis on critical thinking, problem solving, teamwork, collaboration, and other 21st century skills. This is how the various schools fared at the end of this Spot the Error challenge. Benston School managed to spot 9 corrections and proceed effected, earning for themselves 9 points. Then we move on to SOS. They spotted 8 corrections and proceeded to correct them, earning for themselves 8 points. St. Louis spotted 10 corrections and effected them, earning for themselves 10 points. New Oxford spotted 7 corrections and effected them, earning for themselves 7 points. Why don't you show them some love? Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, these are the scores at the end of round 2. St. Louis Jubilee managed to pull 19 points. New Oxford managed 13 points. SOS pulled 8 points. And Benston had 12 points. Please clap for them. We take a commercial break. We will be right back. This is a competition.
Maybe a tram, Apomodin Winsome, Edgy and some Emma Osuyedi, Masase, Idiara war. Inti Unyankopon Namda Sumu, Eda, Unia, any Habama, a betty Adasama and Qua, Exe, a Dujan fee, Ukumani, Berima, and watch you, a Dujan fee, a Sakotra, Quayam, a Dejanine, I want for sure Ankanam. New Apomodin Penty. 20 and 7 Unyankopon the Yari Nasu to me. I said, Dr. Tam Dasonsa. And I say, yes, you qua and you went to me. My eyes are the audio will say, come on. For a camera, do I sa a Kumasi, a Wapa, a Google. Trying 0244 774282.
Oyanphobia, Kaise, Dimafo, and Midimafo, Eba. Dr. Tam Daso.
This is going to be the homophone header. I'm excited because this is quite an interesting round. In this round, you are competing for 3 points. However, when I give you the challenge and you just guess and get it wrong, I will deduct 1 mark from your accumulated mark. If you don't know, don't guess. If you don't answer and it's a major question, I pass it on to the next school for a bonus of 1 point. If that school also gets it wrong, I will deduct 1 mark from it. 20 seconds if it is your major question, 10 seconds if it is your bonus. If you are. Permit me to start with you, St. Louis Jubilee. Now, the dash system of the building was upgraded to improve energy efficiency. The dash system of the building was upgraded to improve energy efficiency. Lighting or lightning. Lightting or lightcening.
Lighting. Lighting, lighting.
And that is correct for 3 points. New Oxford, this is your major question. The company's success was dashed by its innovative approach and dedicated team. The company's success was dashed by its innovative approach and dedicated team. Affected. The company's success was dashed by its innovative approach and dedicated team. Is it Affected, effected, or affected? Affected.
Affected. Affected.
That is incorrect. -1. Effected is what I was looking for. Innovative approach and dedicated team means positive. Affected it's negative in terms of its meaning or implication. Yes, SOS. This is your major question. The dash of the ancient marriage was confirmed by carbon dating. The dash of the ancient manuscript was confirmed by carbon dating. Veracity. Veracity or Voracity. The dash of the ancient manuscript was confirmed by carbon dating, veracity or velocity. SOS, are you interested? Asokore Mampo is looking up to you. SOS. SOS says, I should pass. Yes, Benstow. Can you make Asafo proud? Benstow says no. Yes, Selimi Jubilee, Odion looks up to you. 3, a point is available if you are interested. Yes.
Veracity.
Come again.
Veracity.
As in
Voracity.
Voracity is a disastrous answer. -1. Yes. Permit me to move on to. So this is your major question. The diplomat dash remarks helped to ease tensions between the two countries. The diplomat dash remarks helped to ease tensions between the two countries. Temperate. 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 Or tempered. Temperate. Which one fits the bill here? The diplomat dash remarks help to ease tensions between the two countries.
Temperate.
As in
Temporate.
No, I have not given ORA. I said TEMPERATE or TEMPERED. Which one are you selecting?
Temperate.
As in
TEMPERATE.
Correct for 3 points. Selmi Jubilee, back to you. The lawyer found a dash in the contract that allowed her client to avoid penalty. The lawyer found a dash in the contract that allowed her client to avoid penalty. Loophole. Loophole as in 2 words, loop and hole. Or loophole as in 1 word, LOOPHOLE. Yes. Can you exploit the loophole here? Yes.
Loophole as in 1 word.
Loophole as in 1 word is correct. New Oxford. Permit me to come back to you for this. The new evidence served to dash the defendant's alibi. The new evidence served to dash the defendant's alibi. Corrode, CORRODE, or CORRADE, corrode or corrode. The new evidence served to dash the defendant's alibi. CORRODE or CORRADE. Are you interested, New Oxford? And Akoma looks up to you. New Oxford.
CORRADE.
It is a disaster. -1. CORRODE is what I was expecting. Elsewhere, please permit me to come back to you. The dash between the two concepts was subtle but important. The dash between the two concepts was subtle but important. Distinction, extinction. Distinction as DISTINCTION or EXTINCTION. Distinction between the two concepts, or the extension between the two concepts, was subtle but important.
Distinction.
Distinction is correct for a distinct. Ben Starr, kindly help me to answer this one. She spoke with such dash that everyone in the room was captivated. She spoke with such dash that everyone in the room was captivated. Eloquence, elegance, eloquence. ELOUGENCE or ELEGANCE. She spoke with such dash that everyone in the room was captivated. Is it eloquence or is it elegance?
Eloquence.
Eloquence is correct for 3 points. Correct. Please let's show them some love. Then we move on to St. Louis Jubilee. Help me to answer this. The dash of the mountain range was breathtaking at sunrise. The dash of the mountain range was breathtaking at sunrise. Ascent, ASCENT. Ascent, ASSENT. The dash of the mountain range was breathtaking at sunrise. Is it ascent or ascent? ASCET or ASSENT? So we Jubilee calculating their chances. Are you taking this one? It is too juicy. 3 points. Pass. New Oxford. This should be a cool 1 point for you. Are you interested? SOS. Just add a point to your marks. This is all that I'm offering with just an answer. ASCENT or ASSENT. SOS. 10 seconds. And then start. What do you? Try this one.
Accent is how you speak.
You are now calculating. Benson. Benson is not interested. Okay. So I was looking for ASCENT. I told you you would have gotten it correct, but you didn't want to try. Yes. We move on to New Oxford. New Oxford. The witness was asked to dash to the truth of the statement. The witness was asked to dash to the truth of the statement. Verify, vilify, VERIFY or VILIFY. The witness was asked to dash to the truth of the statement. Verify or vilify.
Verify.
As in
VERIFY.
Why are you afraid? You have 3 points. 3 points. SOS. SOS. The dash of the agreement was carefully worded to avoid ambiguity. The dash of the agreement was carefully worded to avoid ambiguity. Clause. 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 Or CLAWS. Which of these clauses or clauses would you select for this one? The dash of the agreement was carefully worded to avoid ambiguity. Yes, as in
LAUSE.
you are correct for 3 points. Benstel. The dash of the ancient textbooks. The dash of the ancient textbook scholars. The dash of the ancient text took scholars several years to complete. The dash of the ancient text took scholars the translation or transliteration of the ancient text took scholars several years to complete. TRANSLATION or TRANSLITERATION. Are you interested? Yes, Benston. And also we grab this for 1 point. Will you grab this for 1 point? Translation or transliteration? St. Louis Jubilee, they are conferring whether they will answer or not. Yes, are you answering?
Transliteration.
Transliteration is a disastrous sound. Minus 1. Alright, St. Louis Jubilee, this is your major question. This is your major question. The dash of the new software improved the company's efficiency. The dash of this software improved the company's efficiency. Implementation, implication. The dash of the new software improved the company's efficiency. Implementation, implication.
Implementation.
Implementation is correct for 3 points. New Oxford. The dash of the rare species is a major concern for environmental conservationists. The dash of the rare species is a major concern for environmental conservationists. Extinction or distinction. EXTINCTION or DISTINCTION. The dash of the rare species is a major concern for environmental conservationists. Yes, New Oxford. New Oxford. 3 cool points away to extinction or distinction of the rare species.
Distinction.
Disaster. Extinction of the rare species. That's the answer. Ladies and gentlemen, SOS, your major question. The dash between the two companies was mutually beneficial. The dash between the two companies was mutually beneficial. Collaboration. 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 Or CORROBORATION. Collaboration. The dash between the two companies was mutually beneficial. Collaboration or collaboration?
Collaboration.
Collaboration. If it is a collaborated answer, is correct. Correct for 3 points. Benstel. The dash sound of the violin brought tears to the audience's eye. The dash sound of the violin brought tears to their eyes. Mellifluous, melodious. Which one are you going for? The dash sound of the violin brought tears to their eyes. Mellifluous, melodious.
Melodious.
Melodious is a disaster. I was looking for mellifluous. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of round 3A. Let's show them some love. And straight away we zoom into round 3B. exciting round for you. Stick and stay, don't go anywhere. This is Omia TV and Akoma FM. We call it visual vibes. I'm going to project a visual for you. You are giving me registers associated with that visual. Form as many words or give me as many registers or words associated with that. Concrete nouns only, no abstract nouns. And if you manage to do 15 or more, you are getting 15 points. 12 to 14 words will give you 12 points. 9 to 11 words gives you 9 points. 6 to 8 words gives you 6 points. 5 words or below gives you 3 points. You are doing so in 120 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your projected visual. Let's look at what you managed to get from this particular round. It's an interesting round. And this is why. The projected visual, it's a typical political rally where you have politicians giving a speech. And we wanted words associated with such an occasion or registers associated with such occasion. Well, so it's been an exciting round. I'll take a short commercial break. When I am back, I'll give you the result for round 3B and then proceed to give you the result for round 3.
Education is the key to a brighter future, and at Best Brain Publication Limited, we are committed to giving every child a strong foundation they need to excel. Our books are professionally written in line with the new GES standard-based curriculum and fully approved by NACA, giving you the assurance of quality and excellence. From preschool through primary to DHS and SHS, we've got you covered with top-rated textbooks in mathematics, science, English, our world and our computing, creative art, history, RME, French, Chi, Fanti, Dagbani, and more. Our JHS and SHS combined textbooks make learning simpler, smarter, and more effective. We have mathematics, science, English, social studies, career technology, RME, creative art, Asante G, and others. That's why parents, teachers, and schools nationwide trust Best Brain. We are located at Kumasi Pankrono behind the Posada Hotel on the Best Brain Center bedroom. Our books are also available in all leading bookshops nationwide. For bulk purchases, call 0507 200 200, 0504 200 300 or 0241 520 946. Visit us at www.bestbrainp.com. At Best Brain Publication Limited, we nurture great minds with great books. Best Brain Publication Limited, tomorrow's education today.
Thank you very much. Welcome back, viewers, and those who are listening on Akoma 87.9. Yeah, the results at the end of round 3B virtual vibes. Neos for International managed to put together 12 words, earning for themselves 12 points. St. Louis Jubilee put together 15, earning for themselves 15 points. SOS also earned for themselves 15 points. Benstel also put together 15, earning for themselves 15 points as well. Ladies and gentlemen, therefore, here are the scores at the end of round 3. St. Louis Jubilee, total 22 points for round 3. New Oxford International, 12 points for round 3. SOS Hillman, 24 points for round 3. And Benston, 20 points for round 3. Ladies and gentlemen, we proceed to the last round, which is the round of riddles. Here, we seek to ensure that we separate the boys from the men. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we proceed to the last round, a very exciting round. I can't wait. And this is where we get to know which two schools will see to join Afro's lovely and Golden State for the grand finale of the 18th edition of the Sharpen Quiz competition, an exciting English competition that focuses on critical thinking, problem solving, reaching, and teamwork, as well as other 21st century skills. Here we go. You are competing by ringing a bell. The bell from St. Louis Jubilee. Let's hear your bell. And New Oxford, can we have your bell? SOS Herman, please, let's hear you. And Benstel School System, can we have you? Good luck to all of you. And here we go with the first riddle. If you know the answer, can you draw my attention by ringing the bell? The first to press the bell gets the opportunity to answer, but if you get it wrong, you are out of that particular riddle. First clue will earn you 5 points, second clue will earn you 4 points, any other clue gives you 3 points. I wish you all the best. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body. New Oxford. Echo. Echo is correct for 5 points. Echo. It's correct for 5 points. We move on to the second riddle. Here we go. I am 8 in number, yet I live as one family in grammar. Without me, sentences would stumble and meaning would crumble. I give words their duties. Some name, some describe, some connect. Yes, New Oxford.
Conjunction.
It is not conjunction. Yes, SOS.
Parts of speech.
For 3 points. Also, indeed, a very exciting contest, second semi-final of the Champion Peace competition. We get to know the two schools that are competing in the finale with Afro's Loving and Golden State Academy. Here are the scores at the end of round 4. Ladies and gentlemen, St. Louis Jubilee pulled 4 points, New Oxford International School pulled 10 points, SOS 11 pulled 3 points, and Benstel School pulled 8 points. Therefore, here are the scores at the end of the entire contest. Ladies and gentlemen, placing and missing out on the grand finale, we say congratulations to them, but we'll see them next year is Benstel School. In the third position, ladies and gentlemen, with 1 point difference, 54 points, New Oxford International School. Therefore, the following schools have qualified for the grand finale. SOS secured 50 points, placing second. Winning this competition, ladies and gentlemen, 63 points. St. Louis. Congratulations to you, St. Louis Jubilee. Congratulations to you, SOS. I will see you in the grand finale. I wish you all the best. Have luck to Benston and New Oxford. Very good fight, but this is how far you come. On that note, we want to say thank you to our sponsors for supporting this particular noble cause. My name is Raphael Sarkodie, and I am your quiz master for this exciting competition, Sharpen. We'll be back next week with another interesting episode.
Akoma 87.9 FM. Any Afro Kit Network. Yakabom Ayadi Creative Arts Festival every war. Tumedi Ebekoso Ewa Cultural Center. 5th December. A free anopano wachi ekosi enyumre no 9. Agrahudu P Nebekoso. Yabeye drama, poetry, kids kitchen, cooking competition, painting, singing, dancing, and then Yamahudu P. And it's where the awful, one from Mamrai, a church for Muni Kodanani for Mumra, near Maji, 5th December, our cultural center, a hope yet the special guest, a champion rolling, a bonus at the Fomboko. We take it to be out of betting about Akoma 87.9 FM. Your front desk, your Wasuka, your Nick Massey City Mall, may get in a share anymore. Announce betting your friend number 0242 339022 and now 0246 766060. A free creative art festival. A hope yet Debasa. It's in Mumra Majimani.
Mempatamu yɛde ne mpatamu brɛ wɔ Ghana akoma so wɔ Akoma 87.9 FM mempatamu adwada kɔsi fiada yɛnka yɛ mpatamu ha nkyɛn mpanimfoɔ na wɔnto ho anammɔn enti hyia me Sir John me ne mapamfo wɔ Akoma 87.9 FM Ghana akoma dwumadie so mempatamu
Don't touch that dial.
From the pride of the now through to the black star. This is Epi Zuma. Keep rocking it. 87.9. Yes. Akoma FM 87.9. Yes. Akoma FM 87.9. From the pride of the now through to the black star. This is Epi